Today we are going to be looking at solving simple linear equations, solving equations of this form. So let's begin by looking at these two examples on the board and see how we can solve for x, taking step by step, procedures. So let's look at them one by one. So the first one says 4 minus 3x equals to 2. So how do we solve this? The first thing you want to do is to take collect like terms. So collect like terms. And when we collect like terms, we simply mean you take terms with x on one side and terms without x, you take them to the other side. So in this case, you have 3 minus 3x, the only term with x. Then you take plus 4 because there is an invisible plus here. So you take it to the other side, it becomes minus 4. So you have minus 4, and then you still have on this side plus 2, invisible plus 2, invisible plus here. So this is plus 2. So we have minus 3x equals minus 4 plus 2 will give us minus 2. Yeah. And then the next thing you want to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So divide both sides by coefficient of x. Now, in this case, the coefficient of x is minus 3. So you do minus 3x over 3 over minus 3 equals minus 2 over minus 3. So minus 3 will cancel out minus 3. So you are left with x on the left-hand side. And then minus can cancel out minus here. So your answer becomes 2 over 3. So x is 2 over 3. That's the solution for this. Now let's look at the second example. In the second example, you have 2x minus 7 equals 5 minus 3x. So how do we begin to solve this question? The same approach, you collect like terms. That's the first thing you do. Collect like terms. So which simply means those terms with x, bring them to one side, and those terms without x, take them to the other side. So we have 2x, then you bring minus 3x. Minus 3x, you bring it to this side. So minus 3x becomes plus 3. Remember, when you change or you move a term from one side to the other, the sign before it will always change, to the opposite sign. So you have 2x plus 3x equals to, we're going to move this minus 7 to the other side, so it becomes plus 7. Then 5 is already here, so plus 5. Invisible plus here before 5, so that makes it plus 5. So we now have 5x, 2x plus 3x becomes 5x. Then 7 plus 5 becomes 12. So again, the next thing you want to do here is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x here, coefficient of x in this case is 5. So divide both sides by 5. Don't forget, the reason why you are dividing both sides by the coefficient of x is to remove everything attached to x. So that gives us 5x over 5 equals to 12 over 5. So 5 will cancel out 5. So you have x equals to 12 over 5. You can decide to leave your answer like this, or you change it to mixed fraction, which is 2 whole number 2 over 5. So this is the solution to this term. I believe this is very clear and you understand it. So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos on how to solve maths equations or any questions on maths in our YouTube channel, Eminent View TV. All right. Thank you. See you next time. God bless you.